Hello students, this is your mathematics class standard 6. Today I am going to start your new chapter 6, decimals. You know that about decimal, fraction, like decimal, unlike decimal. These are the concept given. So first of all we know about what is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction means a fraction that is shown as a decimal point followed by the number of tenth, hundred, etc. For example, I given here decimal and fraction. Suppose you know 0.01. How to write in fraction way? So 1 we have to write. Point means 1. And how many digits are given there after point? 2 digits. So we can put here 20. Second example 0.16. Okay. 16 I am written same to same. Point means always we have to suppose here 1. And how many digits are given? 2. So 20 I am put here. So like this one, this is your example. Extended place value chart. Simply you know ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 as usual we know about. But how we have to use in the decimal? So in the right side we have to write here tenth, hundred, 10,000, thousands. Means 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. And here simply 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 as usual we are using. Like decimal means if two decimal have an equal number of decimal places, then they are known as like decimal. Suppose 101.21 given. So point after 2 digit it is like decimal. 62.12. Again point after 2 digit and point after 2 digits. If point after their digit are same, it means this is a like decimal. And second part, unlike decimals. Decimal fraction having unequal number of digit. For example, point after 1 digit given, point after 2 digit, point after 3 digit. So their digit are not same. It means this is a unlike decimals. Next is given equivalent decimals. It means two decimals are equivalent if both of them are equal to the same fraction. For example, 52.9 given and 52.90 given. Here 9 given, here 90. So we have right to put one more zero. Then both are equal fraction. Understood? Now move to exercise 6.1. Question number 1a given 5 multiply with 10 plus 9 multiply with 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 fraction given plus 8 into 1 by 100. Now we have to solve. 5 10 ja 50 plus 9 1 ja 9 plus 2 1 ja 2 by 10 plus 8 1 ja 8 by 100. Okay. You know 50 plus 9 59 plus you have to change in the decimal way. So here we have to write 0.2 plus 0.08. Now we have to add 59.28 is your answer. If you have confusion ma'am how we have to change, simply 2 given, okay, and in down given denominator side given 10. So you know that in the back side you can count how many 0 given, 1 0. So 1 digit after put point. Suppose 8 given and how many 0 given down, 2. So 1 2 and decimal. This is a short process we can solve in decimal. Question number 2. Determine whether the given decimals are like, unlike or equivalent. These are your question given. We have to find like decimal, unlike decimal or equivalent. So a number 7.92, 14.5. You know this is unlike decimal. Second 21.701, 21.71. Here 3 digit, here 2 digit. It means unlike. C number 17.35 and 17.355. Here 2 digit, here 3 digit. So it is also unlike decimal. D number 27.50, 27.500. This is equivalent. Why? Here 50 given, here 500. So we have right to put one more zero here. So both are like. E number 331.91, 334.65. Both are like decimal. So according to like, unlike, you have to solve yourself. Question number 3. Locate the decimal 0.6, minus 1.3 and minus 2.7 on the number line. Locate the decimal 0.6, minus 1.3 and minus 2.7. We have to show on the number line. So you know the chapter integers. What we will do? Right side plus, left side minus. Same here. 9 distance I am given here. Okay. Here I given minus, here plus sign, because right side is plus. Now here given 0.6. So 0 here start and 0.6 given. So we can go with the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to write here 0.6. Now minus 1.3. Minus 1 is given and 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Minus 2 given. And what question given? Minus 2.7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this method you can solve in your notebook. Okay. Question number 4 is given. Between which two integers on the number line do the following decimals lie? Write the integers nearest to the given decimal. A number 0.7. You know. Integers means we have to mark one underline. Do the underline. Right side write the positive integer, left side negative integer. Same to same. Okay, like this one. And according to your suitable, you have to divide. In between 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. In between we are given the distance 9 and distance. So you have to prove 0.7 lies between 0 and 1. Okay, 0.7 lies between 0 to 1. Okay, second question is given minus 0.9. So 0 given, minus 1 is given here, and their distance given 9. So you have to write here lies between 0 and minus 0.9 lies between the 0 and minus 1. So like this method you can solve. Question number 5. Fill in the boxes with a greater, smaller or equal to. 2.59, 3.21. Which one is greater? You know, 3.21 is greater. 12.99, 11.10. Which one is greater? 12.99. So you have to put your greater sign. Question number 6. Arrange the decimal as specified. It means question number 1 is 6a given. First question ascending order, second question given descending order. Question number 6a, we have to solve ascending order. Okay, ascending means smaller to bigger. Okay, so what is given here? First of all, we have to find smaller one. So 2.109 greater than 33.51, 34.05, 100.9. We have to write here ascending order. Now second question given descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. So in descending order we have to write the bigger to smaller. So first of all we will write 555.10, then 555.01, then 55.55, at last 55.5. This is your descending order. Question number 7. From the decimals we have to find here smallest and the greatest decimals. 2.91, 0.291, 29.1 and 29.01. First of all we have to find the greatest one. So you know that 29.1 and 29.01. There is a confusion. Which one is greater? Simply 1 after we have to put many 0, but 0 1 after it is not possible to put the decimal, means 0. So 29.1 and 29.01, which one is greater? So 29.1, because after that we have to put more zeros. So this is the greatest one. Second, smallest. 0.2 or 2.91, which one is smallest? Common sense you have to use. 0.291 is the smallest decimal. Understood? Now next question is given. Write the following decimal fraction as a decimal. Very easy. Question number 8. 9 by 10 given. So I told you, first of all 9 write. And how many 0 given? Only 1 0 given. So 1 digit and there is no 0 is there. So 1 digit after point and then 0. One more I explain you. F number 9 7 by 10. It is given mixed fraction. 10 9 ja 90 plus 7, 97 by 10. Okay, simply 97 you have to write. How many 0 is given here? Only 1 0. So 1 digit after decimal. Understood? Question number 9. Write the following fraction as decimal. We have to put this fraction as a decimal. How? We have to give the divide. Look at here. 7 by 5. So in rough you will do 7 divide with 5. 5 1 ja 5. Here 2. So it is possible to give the divide 5 and 2? No. So we will put here point and take 1 0. In 5 10 20 are coming? Yes, 4 times. So 1.4 is your answer. Like this method you can solve all the questions. Question number 10. Write the following decimal as a fraction. We have to given here decimal, but we have to change in the fraction method. How? So 0.8 given. Very easy method. Simply write 8. What given here? 8. Then by point means always 1. And how many digits given? 1 digit. 1 digit means 0. 8 by 10 is your answer. One more question I have to solve. F number 10.06. Okay. Don't be confused. Very easy. How many? Whatever given, same to same write. Don't think there is any decimal. 1006. Okay. Here given point. Point means 1. And after that how many digit? 2. So 120. This is your answer. So exercise 6.1. How many questions are given? You have to solve in your notebook. Thank you.